What's up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your boy Adonis, and we're about to start Hades up real quick just to start off the day. Start up. There you go. Hades is awakened now. I just woke up too, so we both just woke up. Early birds. Not really that early, man. It's like 1 o'clock, I think. Let's see. Yeah, 1:50, so it's not really that early. And the light kind of sucks right now. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video that I posted. The last 2 videos that I posted, which was one doing deliveries in the Scatpack in the snow with ball tires, which I'm about to go change right now. You see the tires right here in the back. That's literally the first thing I'm gonna go do. Put my new tires on. They're the same ones that the car came with. They're I think that brand name is Kumho Extra. Rated for 185 miles an hour. They're really sticky. Not super sticky because they're kind of thin. They're 245s, man. I wish they were like at least 275s or 290s, man. That would have been perfect, but 245, they stick from higher mile an hour, like 45s up. But anything lower than that just spins a little bit. It is what it is. But we're gonna get that shit. We're gonna get that changed, and then once we get that changed, then hopefully I'm gonna have some outside clips, some flybys, some rolls of me and Hades. So that's what my plan on doing with this video is basically doing some flybys from another car's view from outside, and then I'm gonna have some POV inside view. And yeah, hopefully this be a good video for you guys to hear how Hades sounds. And yeah, I can't wait to get to it because I haven't done a video like that ever. This is gonna be my first time doing a video from like flybys and stuff like that. I haven't done one like that. Like, yeah, from somebody sitting down outside and recording, yeah, but from like in the highway or something, just flying by and stuff. I haven't done that, so this is gonna be the first time I do that. So stay tuned. I'm gonna make it great, because that's how we do it. We have to stay positive, stay afloat, do our thing, and have fun and enjoy. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm just enjoying my car, enjoying my time, staying positive, and just keep moving forward and pushing forward. That's what I'm doing. That's what we're gonna do. And yeah, let me let Hades warm up real quick because she's cold right now, as you can see. She's cold. So once she warms up, look how bad it got. They got long dreads now. So sadly, as you saw, I was showing you guys a tire of where I parked the car at the tire shop. The tire shop that I go to, tire compressor ran out. So right now I'm doing a quick pit stop to, you know, where I don't even have to tell you guys where I'm at, man. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get that coffee real quick. You know what I'm saying? If you know me for a long time, for the past 3 years I've been doing YouTube videos, you know I love coffee, bro. That's my thing, man. So I'm gonna get some coffee right now, drink some coffee, and then we're gonna go to a different tire shop. Hopefully they're empty, because I passed by it and there was like 3 cars waiting in line. So we'll see what happens, man. Damn, these tires don't want to get installed. I think they want me to rip these tires even more. My tires are bad. Like, you can see the thread. Like, look, I'm gonna show you. It literally looks like my car got a freaking long haircut, like long wig on. Look. Looks like it got a wig on. Look at this. Look at this. Holy golly. Got a little jerry curl on it. Well, long jerry curl. And they got another one all the way down there in the back. You can't even see it. It's crazy. It's crazy, bro. So yeah, once I get the coffee, go ahead to the next tire shop, and hopefully we can finally get that installed in the next one. Hopefully. We will see. We will see. Pretty good tape on all the wires. If they touch, they will blow. What's up, Dad? Negro. ¿Todo bien?
Ahí, tranquilo.
Tengo todas las dos gomas ya adentro ya. Solo tengo que cambiar de atrás.
¿Solo la de atrás nomás?
Solo de atrás. Yo tengo las dos gomas de baúl.
Parquete allá, please. Está muy bien, ¿no? Los dos de atrás. ¿Quieres balancear también?
¿Cuánto para balancearlo?
Balancearlo todos los dos de atrás, 60. Si no montada nomás, $50.
Gracias, primo. Ok, gracias.
60. 60 con balanceo y 50.
Last week we put a tire on.
Finally at the tire shop. About to get these done. See how bad these are. Look. Oh man. Look at this. Look at Jerry curls. Jerry curls. Scatty got a Jerry curls. Bald, metal. Yeah, these are about to be changed though. About to get the new tire set up. Can't wait, but we finally made it. Finally made it, bro. God, look at that. Look at that outcome, bro. Holy shit. Gone. Good look at the Brembos. Look at that Brembo. I don't know how you drive a car with a broken oil pan with no oil.
No, yo le aviso, para que no tire el tiro, porque el día de él.